Alright, what do you have to say for last day of school?
Summer, baby.
About you, Chelsea?
I love you.
Love you, Sal.
And I'm gonna miss all my buddies.
Everybody's gonna miss Jasmine and everybody else. Okay. Shay, what do you have to say for last day of school, Sarah?
I'm gonna miss everybody, and I love you all, so, yeah.
I love everybody! No.
Me too! She's gonna miss me.
Sarah! Come on, what do you have to say something!
I love you.
What's up, dog?
That's not the last day of school, that's just like
I guess
ordinary.
that's, normal.
Yeah, okay, what do you have to say for last day of school?
Hi.
Oh,
Peace out.
bullshit. Callie, you have to say something for last day. Go!
Okay.
I'm gonna miss everybody here. Okay.
Oh, I
So, I'm gonna miss you. I'm taking you home. And I will miss you so much.
Okay.
I'll miss you, but I'm also
Say something.
says my name. Sad that Kelly's moving and have that fun.
Okay.
Kelly, I want you guys to pick.
Yes, sir! Have to say something for last day of school.
Okay, I
Move.
have something.
It's the last.
Logan!
Obviously!
Well, what do we
Okay.
Everyone's like outside.
I'm gonna miss everybody.
But there could be a sign here.
So, Charlotte, now what do you have to say?
Hey, I love everybody. I'm gonna miss you guys. Even though I've seen half you guys during the summer.
Sidewalk.
And, yeah, so click that button.
This one?
Yeah.